Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.6 Pronunciation. This criterion is designed to ensure that users with visual or cognitive disabilities can understand the pronunciation of words and phrases used in web content. To meet this criterion, websites should provide pronunciation guidance for difficult or uncommon words or phrases. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion in code. Use the HTML Ruby element. The Ruby element can be used to provide pronunciation guidance for difficult or uncommon words or phrases. The Ruby element defines a Ruby annotation, which is a small text that is placed above or below the text that needs to be pronounced. In this example, the Ruby element is used to provide the pronunciation guidance for the name Haruki Murakami. Use ARIA attributes. ARIA, accessible rich internet applications. Attributes can also be used to provide pronunciation guidance for difficult or uncommon words or phrases. The ARIA label attribute can be used to provide a short description of the word or phrase, while the ARIA describe be attribute can be used to provide more detailed pronunciation guidance. In this example, the ARIA label attribute is used to provide a short description of the scientific name for the common house cat, while the ARIA describe be attribute is used to provide more detailed pronunciation guidance. By following these guidelines, websites can ensure that users with visual or cognitive disabilities can understand the pronunciation of words and phrases used in web content, and meet WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.6 pronunciation.